Hello everyone and welcome to the review about one of the most advanced action cameras out there with a 1-inch sensor. Today we have a look at the Insta360 ONE R 1-inch. Why do I call it one of the most advanced cameras out there? Because you can attach several types of lenses, it does have an awesome image stabilizer and features a lock profile for post-editing. After a few weeks of intense testing, I can present the body of the Insta360 ONE R to you today. We'll also take a look at the interchangeable lenses and some of the accessories. Basically, you have the camera body and attach the lens of your choice to the body. In this set, we have the 4K wide-angle module, plus the Dual Lens 360 module and the beast, the LEICA 14mm wide-angle lens. The red part under the body is the battery, with its 1200 mAh. By the way, the batteries last ultra long on this camera. Otherwise, there's a version of this battery with more power, for just under $50. A big advantage of this brand is that you get a lot more accessories than with other manufacturers. There's a cold shoe for external microphones directly on the case. With the new GoPro Hero 9, you need to spend $90 for a media mod. Whereas you only need the microphone adapter for just under $12 for the Insta360 R. That is very good. You can switch from photo to video mode by the touch display. With your fingers, you can select all manual settings like ISO or shutter speed, format the micro SD card, change the frame rates, and do a lot more. My personal attitude after trying a few action cameras is no other than GoPro anymore. With the Insta360, that changes now. Not because it's a sponsored product, but because I'm convinced of this awesome product. Included in this set was the invisible selfie stick. Too good. It can be extended up to 120 centimeters, which is almost 4 feet, and is ignored by the camera. This means if you hold your arm skillfully, then it is not even noticeable that you are holding the camera in your hands, and it seems as if the camera is flying around you. The Insta360 app is highly recommended because over there you can control the camera. You can also use the app to stitch your photos together, edit videos in full resolution, track your objects, which worked really well by the way, so you can run after your dog, activate motion tracking, and the camera keeps the dog in focus and shows it in the video. Wow! You can also use the app to take a panoramic photo, switch between cameras, take interval shots, and after downloading the material to your smartphone, edit it and send it to friends. Remember to update the firmware of your camera. The hint will come up the first time you connect the camera to your smartphone. Your smartphone must be connected to a local Wi-Fi or mobile network. Controlling the Insta360 ONE R has become so easy through the Apple Watch. There's no need for you to carry your smartphone with you while skiing. Just use your Apple Watch to start and stop the video. Once you purchase any action camera, you will notice a lack of audio quality using their internal microphones. Let's listen to it. Yo, what's up everyone? I'm here on the busy road in Frankfurt. A lot of cars are passing by. I'm using now the super wide angle 14mm lens. And let's hear how good the audio performance is. Now you would like to invest in a better audio quality, and for only $12 you can purchase the USB-C to 3.5mm audio adapter, which allows you to attach several microphones. But the best part is that you can connect your Apple AirPods using their microphones while you talk to your audience. That's amazing.
First, now I'm using my AirPods by Apple. And let's see if there's any improvement about the audio quality. It's the same camera, same lens, and I'm now connected to the Insta360 ONE R with my Apple AirPods. And I don't know if there's any improvement about the audio quality, but that's what I'm here for. We're gonna try that out.
Now let's get to video. The maximum resolution is 5.3K at 30, 25 and 24 frames per second. If these files are too big for you, just downgrade to 4K 60, 30, 25 or 24 frames per second. Slow motion recordings are possible at 1080p with 120 frames per second. Great for doing stunts and extreme sports with an awesome internal image stabilizer. There are loads of tutorials here on YouTube on how to edit the footage on your computer or smartphone. The Insta360 ONE R allows you to use a log profile if you plan to color grade your footage. What I like most are these moving time-lapse videos. What really knocks off is the low light performance. Look how sharp these photos are. You will benefit from a larger image sensor built into this small camera body. You can find many of these examples in the video description for download. Manual settings are possible for any scenario. On top, you can adjust the white balance, shutter speed, ISO and so on. If you plan on editing your photos in post, make sure to take them in RAW. The Insta360 app offers tons of filters, which are super cool, and if you would like to do more, just use Adobe Lightroom. It's insane what you can do with such a tiny camera and its 360-degree field of view if you make use of the Dual Lens 360 mod. Have a look at what you can do in retrospect. So you can walk through cities, watch the footage on your phone and rotate as you like and see what happened behind you. For example, when you held the camera up over the invisible selfie stick. I find the tiny planet photos best anyway. Let's summarize. There will be a tutorial on my channel about this camera, so stay tuned and make sure to subscribe. You can even use the Insta360 ONE R also as a webcam or for live streams. What a great solution if you're on stage and you have the awesome perspective which allows you to see everything. Basically a perfect camera for all kinds of pictures. You're walking through a city with a friend or you're with a group on a city trip. You missed something, but don't worry, the Insta360 mod captured it for you. The photos make a sharp impression and the low light performance really blew me away, thanks to the large image sensor compared to other action cameras. The app sometimes hacks a little bit. I guess that's because of my old iPhone 8 Plus. It can take a lot of time to convert the footage using the Insta360 software even on my Mac. There might be an easier way which I need to figure out. If you would like to support my channel, feel free to purchase the package from the link listed in the video description below. All the best from Frankfurt am Main, Merry Christmas und Tschüss.